Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of CTK Biotech OnSite H.Pylori Antigen Rabbit Test Kit. This is basically a 25 test kit box. It is basically used for the qualitative deduction of H.Pylori antigen in human fecal specimen. So basically this box contains 25 individual packed cassette devices and 25 stool collection devices, 25 patient ID stickers, 10 plastic droppers and 1 package insert. This is how the box looks like. Let me go around the box for you. This is from the CTK Biotech US. This is how the box looks like. Let me open this box. This is the inside of the box. So you got an IFE brochure instruction manual that gives you complete guidance how to do this test. You can take a look here. From the sample preparation to completing the test procedure and how to interpret your test results. So it's here, and inside you have 10 plastic droppers. Yeah, let's keep this here. 10 plastic droppers, and inside you have 25 stool specimen collection devices. You have a 25 piece pack. You can see that. Pack, and you got 25 test cassettes. Let me see. Yeah, you got the patient ID stickers also. 25 ID stickers are available here, and you have the relevant buffer stool specimen collection devices, and here is the test cassettes. Here's the test cassettes. 25 test cassettes. Let me take 2 cassettes here. You can see this from the US. This H.Pylori antigen rabbit test. On a standard, you can see that this contains 2 years of expiry. This is how the total box looks like. So this is from CTK Biotech OnSite brand H.Pylori antigen rabbit test kit. And this is a complete CE-IVD certified product, and you can just quickly turn this. You got an IFE brochure and 25 pieces of the dilution buffer bottles that used for the specimen collection, and you got 10 buffer plastic droppers, and you got 25 patient ID stickers, and you got the 25 test cassettes. This is how it looks like, the whole box. Thank you.